The Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 has been appearing in plenty of leaks recently. A fresh leak reveals a couple of accessories and design elements of the upcoming tablet. Keeping that in mind, we decided to detail everything known about the Mi Pad 5 so far. Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 has appeared in plenty of leaks to confirm its existence. The upcoming tablet will succeed over the Mi Pad 4 launched back in 2018. Previous leaks suggest Mi Pad 5 will feature a Snapdragon 870 SoC, a 120Hz display, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. The tablet has been recently spotted in multiple listings. A fresh leak says that Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 has been listed on Meet. In another leak, CAD renders of Mi Pad 5 accessories have been revealed. Renders showcase a keyboard that will double as the tablet case. Additionally, a pen stylus can also be seen placed in cylindrical housing. Reports suggest that Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 will arrive sometime between mid to late August. Keeping the launch timeline in mind, we decided to stack everything known about this tablet so far. Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 specs and features. Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 has been spotted on the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology by Digital Chat Station. He also says that there are two variants of the tablet, out of which, the Snapdragon 870 powered 5G model has entered the network, while the lower-end version with Snapdragon 860 chipset is yet to be spotted. The device was found listed on EEC, which reveals that the tablet will be running MIUI out of the box. Previously, Zai Jian, deputy director of Xiaomi, said that the Mi Pad 5 would ship with a MIUI version optimized for tablets. Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 accessories render. Besides this, CAD renders of Mi Pad 5 accessories have also been leaked by Digital Chat Station. The renders showcase a case that will double up as a keyboard. However, the keyboard might not get a trackpad, as it can be seen missing from the renders. The renders also provide us with a brief idea of the design. According to the renders, Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 will feature a square camera module on the top left corner. Also, the case has a cylindrical cutout which appears to be holding a pen stylus. A couple of months ago, a Twitter user named The Galox gave us the latest look at the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5. The render showcases a similar-looking camera module to the Mi 11 and a large Xiaomi logo on the rear. As far as the specs are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 will sport a 10.95-inch display from TCL Washing. It is tipped to have a resolution of 2560 by 1600 with support for a 120Hz high refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. Further, the tablet is reported to ship in two variants. The top model is supposed to feature a Snapdragon 870 SoC, whereas the lower-end unit is expected to ship with Snapdragon 860 chipset. The tablet is supposed to be made available in plenty for RAM and storage configurations.